Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video, we are heading to TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and Marshall's to check out their Halloween decor. I am so excited. They finally put it out the day after the 4th of July, and yeah, I'm just so excited to go hunting for all of the Halloween decor. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, I try to give close-ups of everything and give prices. Sometimes I forget to give prices, and I definitely did that in this video. Anyways, right now I am at TJ Maxx. I found a few pillows and a few blankets. Nothing else was really put out here. But what I did find, I was super excited to find. This is the only quote-unquote decor item that I found at TJ Maxx that was put out so far. I thought it was really cute and I was tempted, but I already have something similar to it that I purchased at Target last year that is a tea light holder. So yeah, but I did think it was cute. And then I went to a second TJ Maxx location and I found a couple more items. I found some pillows. I found this one, and then I found this set of 3 pillows. It has the moon, the star, and the sun. The moon pillow has a cat on it. I thought that was very cute. And then on the back of the pillows it's just plain black, and then the sides have black and white stripes. And this was $29.99. And then I found a few more blankets at this TJ Maxx as well. I want to point out really quickly, if the audio sounds a little bit different than it did in the beginning, it's because I moved into a different room. My daughter is helping me out with my son while I record this voiceover. Just wanted to mention that really quickly if the audio sounds different at all. Okay, now we are moving on to HomeGoods, which is my favorite store to Halloween hunt at. I was super excited when I walked in. Actually, no, that's a lie. When I first walked in, I looked to where they normally put the Halloween, and I was disappointed because I just seen a bunch of summer stuff. And then as I was about to leave, I seen an aisle of Halloween things, and I got so excited. I also saw another shopper who was looking at the Halloween section, which makes my heart happy when I see other people looking at the Halloween stuff as early as I am. It makes me feel not alone, which I know I'm not alone because there is a whole bunch of people who watch these types of videos, obviously. Otherwise, this channel would not exist. Anyways, I tried to do my best to give a close-up of everything and give you prices, but once again, I definitely missed some prices. And of course, I will let you know what I think the price was, but I may be wrong, so just keep that in mind. I am showing you guys this Frankenstein pumpkin, but I want you guys to note that the spider web behind the little guy down at the bottom of the shelf, I will not be showing that because the person that I said was in the same aisle as me checking out all the Halloween things actually purchased that before I even got to show it, and I obviously wasn't going to be like, hey, let me record that before you buy it, because that would just be weird. But you won't see that in this video, so I have no idea how much it cost or even what it was. It kind of looked like it lit up, maybe. If you guys know, I would love to know how much it was so I can pin the price or something. They also had this, like, rotted pumpkin guy. I don't know if he's really rotten, but I think he was $29.99, but I'm not positive. I swore I took, like, a video clip of the price, but when I was going through my video clips, I apparently did not get the price, but I thought about purchasing it, so I feel like it was $29.99. That little white speck on his mouth, I have no idea what that was. I thought it was styrofoam at first, so I tried just taking it off, but it didn't come off very easily, so then I tried to like very gently scratch it off, but then I realized it still wasn't coming off, so I think it was like a large paint drip or something. I'm not really sure. Anyways, I also wanted to mention that after I'm done showing you the things at HOMEGOODS, I will do a sweep of the aisle, so that way if I missed something, you can see it. This is another item that I failed to get a price on. I think it was $16.99 because all of the other snow globes that I picked up were $16.99. So my guess is that it was $16.99. I could be wrong. Remember, keep that in mind. This little guy is the only guy that I picked up who had bendable arms and legs. All the other ones that I showed previously and will show in the future of this video just had the like dangly arms and dangly legs. I thought that this snow globe was really cute. It had some yarn and some thread, and it was sitting inside of a sewing kit. You couldn't really see it on the front, but it had like trick or treat engraved on the front. I think it said trick or treat. I tried getting a close-up of it, but you just could not tell on camera what it said. Both of these stacked jack-o'-lanterns lit up, and they were $12.99 a piece. And then they also had a few different types of garland. This one here was $14.99. It had a witch hat, a candy corn, and a jack-o'-lantern. This one had a jack-o'-lantern, a bat, and a ghost for $12.99. And then these skeletons were $16.99 a piece, and their eyes lit up. The only ones that worked were the silver one and the gold one. But let me just say that these were like really flimsy, and I would not pay $17 for these personally. I have a skeleton about that size that I bought from, where did I buy it from? I bought it from Five Below, and I thought it was better quality than that. However, the eyes did not light up. These two little kitties were attached to each other with this little jack-o'-lantern down at the bottom. I thought it was adorable. And then they also had this handmade skull for $24.99. It's a very substantial size, and it's very, I was gonna say it's very weighted. It's decently weighted. And then, of course, behind the skull, as you can see, they have the 3 set of cauldrons. I feel like stores just have these everywhere. And the styles usually differ. They had quite a few of these little witches. They're very adorable. I think this one was the cheapest one that I found for $7.99. And then the highest one I think that I found was this one. Oh, there was a couple that were $12.99, but the highest it went up to was $12.99. And then they had this skeleton. Her dress was very, very pretty and very intricate. And she was $14.99. They have this stack of pastel skulls with the little butterflies decorated all over it, and it does light up. The only part of it that lights up, though, is the top skull's eyes, and this was $49.99. This is another item that I failed to get the price on. I'm not sure how much this was, like, at all. If I had to guess, I would say like around the $14.99 area. But again, I'm not positive. I thought that this cat masquerade mask was cute. It was very glittery for $14.99. It's not my style, but I do think it's pretty. They also had this garland for $19.99. I don't know why this one was so much more expensive than the rest. Maybe it's because it had those wooden balls on it. I don't know. And then they had this set of skulls. I think these were ceramic, but I'm not positive. And they had like an iridescent color to them. They also had this witch. She is absolutely stunning. She is all put together. I love her snakeskin dress, and her nails are painted black, and her boots are everything. But yeah, I thought she was really pretty. And then they had another set of 3 cauldrons with these little skeleton guys carrying them on a stick. I thought this was really cute. This was $39.99. And I did my best to give a close-up of the little skeleton guy. His hand looks a little weird to me. Alright, now we are moving on to the very last items that I saw with my eyeballs that I noticed in Goodwill. This is not Goodwill, in HOMEGOODS. And all of these were sets of 3 for $9.99. They were very pretty. However, I do want to mention that there is special wash instructions on these. So if that's something that you are not going to want to do, I would not purchase these towels. This set right here was my favorite. I wanted to really quickly mention that these towels had like a waffle texture to all of them. Every single one that I showed here had the waffling texture. And then, as promised, I'm just doing a quick sweep of everything that I saw inside of HOMEGOODS. The only things that I didn't get video clips of were the spider webs, which I had mentioned before that lady had purchased them, and I didn't even think to do like a panning sweep of everything until she had already taken them. And I was like, oh, I should probably take a clip of everything right now before someone else comes up and buys something. But that didn't happen. So hopefully I was able to give you prices and close-ups of everything that you see here. So we are getting towards the end of the video. Don't worry, Marshall's is still coming, But I wanted to take this time to tell you guys thank you so much for your support, for clicking on this video, watching it, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, this channel would not exist, and it's something that I love doing. I love going out Halloween decor shopping and showing you guys the products and the prices if you can't get to the store yourself. Anyways, now we are going to hop into Marshall's, and I found this skull pillow. I didn't get a price because there was no price tag on it. And then I found a couple of blankets. One of them, I think, is a repeat from TJ Maxx, but I wanted to include it because I know some people have a TJ Maxx or they have a Marshall. They either have one or the other, not both. Some people do have both because they're lucky. Anyways, the video is ending. I love you guys so much. Hope to see you next time.